Hi, my name is Valary and today we'll be making pasta a la George.
My name is Michael, and I'm from upstate New York. This is my wife, Valerie. She's from Kenya. When I was 30 years old, my mother gave me an incredible gift. This homemade cookbook, which took her years to produce, contains over 400 family recipes. One morning, after Mom passed away, we decided to honor her by preparing every recipe in that book. To make it interesting, we thought Valerie should be the chef. Can a Kenyan transplant conquer her mother-in-law's opus? Let's find out. This is Valerie Cooks the Book.
So this is the book. As you can see, it's a 3-ring binder and it contains over 400 recipes. And each recipe is encased in a plastic sleeve, just like this one, to protect it from kitchen spills. And anyone that knows me knows I'm a big creator of spills in the kitchen. So this is actually really perfect for me. So these are all the ingredients we'll need. We first have a pound of pasta. We're using bow ties. 1 cup of cream, heavy cream, a cup of Parmesan cheese, 4 egg yolks, half a cup of butter, and prosciutto, about a pound to 3/4 pounds, julienne sliced. So that is something I had to look up. Julienne just means really thin slices. If you look it up on Google, it kind of gives you an idea of what that looks like. I tried to my best ability to get them thinly sliced, but that's what I came up with. And then finally, some nutmeg. We're using ground nutmeg. Michael's dad typically prefers fresh nutmeg, but we don't have it, so we're gonna use ground nutmeg. It's just about 1/8 teaspoon.
Time for a recap. Please feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot.
So we're using the same pot I used to boil pasta. That's why it looks like that. And we're gonna use 1/4 cup of butter to saute in the pasta and prosciutto. To saute in the prosciutto. So let's just melt that butter. Where's my spoon? Okay, now in goes the prosciutto. Oh, that smells so good. We don't want to brown it too much, so in goes the pasta. Oops. This is so heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the nutmeg and the cream, the yolk. And we're just gonna beat them. Then we're supposed to pour this into the pasta, but we have to be very careful that the yolk does not solidify. Let's see. I'm gonna cook it on slightly medium heat, medium to low. And then oh, we're supposed to add the remaining butter in the mixture, but that's enough butter, I think. So I used 1/4 cup of butter instead of half a cup, but I think that's enough butter. But we were supposed to add the butter in the egg mixture. And I think that's it. It says we have to be careful for the yolk not to solidify. So I think maybe a little bit more, just because I don't want that eggy smell. What do you think? Does it look like your mom's?
I think so.
Well, there you go. Now one last step is just a little bit of Parmesan, or a lot, but it's on your liking. You know, something I wish I bought was some parsley just to garnish, but that's for next time. So let's see if this tastes as good as I remember. This is really good. I think I nailed it. You should try it.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
You nailed it, babe. It's delicious.
And we don't need the salt, because the prosciutto is just salty.
No. Plenty of salt already. It's perfect.
I was like, yay.
Congratulations.
Recipe 1 down. Okay. So that is all, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you happen to try the recipe, let me know what you think about it. See you next time.